Hello everyone and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. This is Sabiuddin Ahmed Siddiqui and now we are continuing with the part number 18 where we are going to define the types and their values, the range of the values where it exists and the range where it deals the values available to each type of the primitive data types. So how can we store values and up to which value we can store the data in each type of data. So now continuing with the types and values, now you can see in a form of table that there are several types and byte which is of 1 byte and short which is of 2 bytes, integer which is of 4 bytes, long which is of 8 bytes, float which is of 4 bytes, double which is of 8 bytes, character which is of 2 bytes. So now the range, digit range, you can see that byte can start from minus 128 or negative 128 to positive 127. Then the short is negative 32768 to 32767. Then integer negative 2147 483 6482 positive 2147 483 647. Then long 8 bytes starts. The positive value is 9 2233720368547758082 9223370368547558007 positive and negative both. Then float 3.4 exponent minus 038 to 3.4e plus 038. Then you have double 8 bytes 1.7e to 308 to 1.7e plus 038, and character has 2 bytes, so it can have 65,535 maximum range. So this is the table. Now continuing with it, now first of all we have boolean. You can see that one bit may take on the values true and false. Only true and false are defined constants of the language and are not the same as true and false. True and false, 0 and non-zero, 1 and 0 or any other numeric value. Booleans may not be casted into any other type of variable, nor may any other variable be cast into a boolean. Now byte, then we have one signed byte which is have 2's complement, covers value from minus 128 to 127. Then we have short 2 bytes signed 2's complement minus 32,768 to positive 32,767. Integer 4 bytes signed minus 2147 483 6482 2147 483 647. Like all numeric types, integers may be cast into other numeric types: byte, short, long, float and double when lossy cast are done. Example, integer to byte, the conversion is done modulo the length of the smaller type. Then we have long, which is of 8 bytes signed, ranges from minus 9223 372036 854 808 plus 9223372 854 807. Then we have float 4 bytes, covers the range from 1.40 1298 464 3284 32481 707. I repeat, 1.40 1298 464 328481 707. Exponent dash 45 to 3.40 2823 466385 28860e plus 38, positive or negative. Like all numeric types, float may be cast into other numeric types such as byte, short, long, integer and double. Then you have double, that is of 8 bytes, which covers a range from 4.94 065645841246544e exponent dash 324d to 1.7976931348623150e plus 308d. I repeat, 1.7976931348623157 E plus 308, positive or negative. Then we have character, which is of 2 bytes unsigned Unicode, 0 to 65,535. Characters are not the same as bytes, integer, shorts or string. So now these are the values of the data types, and as you know that if you want to store the big data, you have to move according to the type of the data which is provided and supported by Java. So I hope you will like this. So we will continue in the next video where we will be doing practice on these data types. So thanks for watching.